Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so let's see what are your energies, Aquarians. On your side we have the Five of Pentacles. Okay, let's see what are the energies of the person you are dealing with. The Queen of Wands. The most likely outcome of this situation? Seven of Swords. Okay. So as far as you are concerned, Aquarius, you feel cheated and betrayed. You feel left out. You feel ignored. I am saying cheated because I already know that we have the Seven of Swords as the most likely outcome here. So definitely feeling ignored, abandoned, left out. Your person is sitting pretty much in a confident state with the Queen of Wands being there, feeling very confident, very good, very beautiful, very passionate, and all good. The most likely outcome is the Seven of Swords. Somebody is getting away with something here. Maybe some lies, cheating, and deception is also going on. Something secretive, definitely. So as far as your energies are concerned, for the Five of Pentacles, we have the Three of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, the Death and Rebirth. Okay. Okay. Eight of Wands. Pulling one more card. Okay, so let's see. For the Queen of Wands on your person's side, let's clarify the Queen of Wands. So for the Queen of Wands, we have the Emperor. Okay. The Star. And the Nine of Swords. Okay. Okay, and the Knight of Cups. Let's clarify the Seven of Swords. Let's clarify the Seven of Swords as the most likely outcome. So for the Seven of Swords, we have the Ten of Wheels, the Chariot, the Five of Swords, and the Fool. So as far as you are concerned, Aquarians, what I feel is, since you are feeling ignored and rejected, you want to talk about it and put an end to the situation. Okay, you really want to talk about this situation, and I think you will do it. So there has been a time in which you have sort of try to make them understand. You've tried to defend your ground. You have tried. It's been a struggle for you. It wasn't easy for you. You've been dealing with this equation, maybe a love triangle for some of you. If not a love triangle, then it can be a situation in which more than three people are dealing. Not necessarily a romantic triangle, can be the interference of any third person in any way in between both of you. Okay, and you have tried to put your point across. You have tried to make the other person understand, but somehow what I feel is it's been really tough, and you are really tired of doing that. Okay, since you've been defending yourself and defending your point, and you feel that there is no point in doing that, what I feel is you really want to communicate that you want to end this. You're not able to take it anymore, and you want to end this situation, basically. And I think you will communicate that to the person directly if you have not done till now. Okay. As far as your person is concerned, for the Queen of Wands, we have the Emperor, the Star, the Nine of Swords, and the Knight of Cups. So what I feel is, this person is maybe a little bossy. Maybe this person is dominating. That is why it's getting tough for you to make them understand. Maybe they are too determined. Maybe they are too rigid. Whatever it is, that sort of an energy is coming up. It's not that they are a bad person. They do have love. They do have love, and there is something, in spite of being shown as that energy of being very authoritative and in a position of power. It is a very powerful energy. Basically, this person, maybe they are actually placed in a position of power. Okay, but what I feel is, this person also has something going on which is troubling them. They really want to open up. It's not that they don't want to open up. They have love. They do want to open up. They do see you as their wish fulfillment. and there is something which is really giving them sleepless nights also. So maybe as for now it is a temporary situation that you people somehow I feel are not looking at each other's eyes. It's maybe this situation is a temporary situation, can be that also, because I see you both looking away from each other as for now, not in a very good place, but I really don't think that they are also happy in this situation. They also want to open up. They do see you as their wish fulfillment. Maybe some whatever has happened in between both of you, maybe it was tough for them to understand, or tough for you, or maybe they are not a person who understands things easily or who budges. Even if they understand, maybe they don't give in easily. It can be that also. Maybe that adamancy is there. It can be that also. But it's not that love is not there or they are not troubled. They too are troubled. The most likely outcome for the Seven of Swords, we have the Ten of Wands, the Chariot, the Five of Swords, and the Fool. So we have three major cards out here. So things will change. That is for sure. Things will change. There is a new beginning. Things will pick up pace. Okay, and whatever the Five of Swords is, it is because so what I feel here is definitely somebody here is doing something secretly. Okay, or maybe somebody is hiding something from you. They are getting away with something, not necessarily cheating or something. Maybe there is a reason for them to do that, and maybe once that communication happens here with the Eight of Wands, maybe things will be okay. But definitely what I feel is things will be okay. There will is a new beginning. Things will pick up pace. Everything will be sorted out. But as for now, it seems to be a very powerful energy which is troubling both of you. It's not that they are happy doing whatever they are doing. That's what I feel. Let's see what is the message from this deck. Number 49 may be of some significance for you. Actions speak loudly. Express your love through actions. Okay. So maybe one of you is not showing their emotions. Maybe that is what this person is doing. They are behaving in a very arrogant or a dominating way. Maybe they are not budging. They are not listening to you. Maybe that adamancy is there as what. But here at the end, we have the Knight of Cups. From the Emperor, they are becoming the Knight. So maybe they are ready to open up. They are ready to mellow down. And once this person mellows down and they are okay with the communication and they listen to you, maybe once you make them realize that it's over and you cannot deal with the situation any longer like this, maybe that is what triggers them and sends them sleepless nights, and then they are able to understand your value and then they open up. It can be that also. And maybe then this situation of Seven of Swords in which they are getting away with something, maybe then that situation ends and things come on the right track. So Aquarians, hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.